Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. So in this tutorial session, I will discuss about dbms output package. So we are going to discuss and learn about dbms output package. What is dbms output package in Oracle? So dbms output package is an Oracle built-in package. Okay. There are many Oracle built-in package, but this package is used the most important, and this package is used many times in our Oracle programming. If you notice that throughout my tutorial session I have used this package dbms_output. Okay. So this is a very important package, and this is Oracle built-in package. So what is the importance of dbms output package and how we can use this dbms output package in our Oracle PL SQL programming? We will going to learn that in detail. Okay. So as I said, dbms output package is an Oracle built-in package. And why this is important to use? Because this package, dbms output package, is used to display output and display debugging information and send message from an Oracle PL SQL block or subprogram like procedures or functions and packages, and also from triggers. Okay. So dbms output package is used to display the output and display the debugging information, and also send a message from the PL SQL block or subprograms like procedures or functions, and also from the triggers. Okay. So I'm writing here dbms_output package is used to display output display debugging information and send message from Oracle PL SQL block or subprograms and packages and triggers. So this is very important package whenever we are going to develop any procedures or functions or triggers. We can use this package to see the debugging information in between the programming. Okay. If there are any desired result we are getting. Okay. So we can use this package in any number of times inside our procedure or functions to display our desired result, so that it can print on the console yes, and we can see the output of that particular result. So by that we can debug our programs like procedures or functions or triggers. Okay. So this is the importance of dbms output package, and this is very much used in PL SQL when we are developing our PL SQL programs like procedures, functions, triggers, packages, like all these programs. Okay. So this is the importance. Okay. Okay, now I will show you how this package is used in our Oracle PL/SQL programming. Okay, so now dbms output is a package, so it has many procedures of this package. Okay, so what are those procedures? dbms output is a package, and inside this package there are various procedures is defined, and we'll use those procedures to use this package. Okay, so what are the procedures inside dbms output package? So dbms output package procedures. Okay, so what are the main procedures inside dbms output package? There are many packages inside the dbms output package, but I will explain the most important packages, which are most important procedures of dbms output package. Okay, so what are the most important procedures in dbms output package, which are comes in use in our Oracle PL/SQL programming? The first one is dbms output dbms output dot enable dot disable. First, I will explain about dbms output dot disable. This is dbms output is a package, and disable is a procedure which is defined in the dbms output package. Okay, so what are the function of this procedure in dbms output package? The function is it disables message output. So if I use this code in our PL/SQL programming, dbms output dot disable, so after that we will not able to see the output message in our console. Okay, so this will display the output message. Okay, which dbms output is returned from the PL/SQL programming, so it will disable the message output. Okay, so this is the first procedure, and second procedure is dbms output dot enable. So this procedure enables message output so that we can see our debugging information or messages from the PL/SQL programming. Okay, so it enables message output. Okay, now this dbms output dot enable package has parameters also. So what are the parameters? The parameters are dbms output dot enable, and the parameter is buffer size in integer. Okay, and the default value is default value is 20,000. So if I not mention any parameters, that means it will enable the buffer size of 20,000. Okay, so if I not mentioned any parameter, or any if I just write dbms output dot enable, it will enable the buffer size is 20,000. And if we just write and we can change the size of buffer size like this, dbmsoutput dot enable, and let's say I will make it 40,000, so I can just mention here 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 will be our buffer size. And also if I just left it blank within the braces, within the brackets, and it will actually take the buffer size unlimited. Okay, if I want to make the buffer size unlimited, I will just write dbmsoutput.enable, and then I'll just write this start and end bracket. Okay, so understand all? Yeah, fine. Now the third is dbmsoutput.getLine. Okay, dot get underscore line. So this this procedure retrieve a single line from buffer. Okay, okay, this procedure will retrieve a single line from buffer. Okay, and number 4 is which we mostly use, the dbmsoutput.put underscore line, and this is used to place a single line to the buffer. Okay, so this is actually mostly used procedure from the dbmsoutput package. So dbmsoutput package dot put line will place a single line to the buffer, so that we can see the our message what I put inside the dbmsoutput.put underscore line. Okay, this procedure. So these are all the procedures which are exist in dbmsoutput package and which are most important. So I'll show you some practical example in the next part of this tutorial series. Okay, so I guess all you have understood about the dbmsoutput package and their various procedures which are exist in the dbmsoutput package and which are most important package to use in our Oracle PL SQL programming. So in the next tutorial I will show you practical how we can use these procedures in our PL SQL programming. Okay, Oracle PL SQL programming. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and just give a like if you have understood well in from this tutorial, and if you want to learn other many topics, you can just visit or watch other tutorials also. There are many tutorials in my YouTube channel SoftAcademy. From very basic level to very most advanced level of topics are there, and you can just watch out. There are many videos tutorials, and just give a like if you learned and understand in detail from my tutorial. Okay, that's all from this for this tutorial, and just give a like and subscribe my channel, and keep watching my videos. Okay, thank you very much, and bye.